Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Hello, KT.
Jason, how you doing?
I'm great. I'm
been
fantastic.
A crazy week here in Nashville, hasn't it?
It has, yes.
And it's only Tuesday.
I feel like every week, every day, every hour, every minute around Katie can be crazy.
This is very true. I could even have that conversation before I had kids. Now you throw in the kids and it's just chaos.
Chaos.
It's just not as sexy as it was before, but we still hold our ground.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, hey, subscribe.
Everything. YouTube, all the others. Hit that button. Bump, bump, bump right now.
Guys, we got gnats.
I found out that, is it 94%, Carlos, do you know this? It's in the 90 percentile of people that watch these videos and every other channel that you watch, 90% of the viewership are not subscribed to that channel. And we know you love us because we love you. And we send love back and forth. And right now, we're going to love on a video.
Oh, BlackPink.
Yeah,
my ladies.
back in the house.
And live.
Ooh.
Playing
with.
Oh, where'd my lighter go?
Fire. I don't know. Here we go. Ready?
Let's do it.
I wonder if they always have pink lights when they start their shows.
Hey boy.
Yeah.
Make it whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up. Make it whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up.
I love her blouse.
대부분이 날 가질 수 있다 착각 절대 많은 거 원치 않아 맘을 원해 나는 넌 심장을 도려내 보여봐 아주 씩씩하게 대로 씩씩 So hot 내가 어쩔 줄 모르게 해 마지막에 불러줘 내 귓가에 도는 휘바람처럼 이대로 지나치지 마요 너무나처럼 날 잊을 수가 없다면
At first, I thought they weren't singing live, but now they are.
Yeah, they are.
They tricked me.
I love her blonde.
Yeah.
Ooh. Tell me.
Yeah, come on, girls.
So fun, so fun.
This is awesome.
So fun. You can hear her breathing. That's how you can tell she's singing, like when you listen to her breath, you know? Oh my gosh, this track is hot.
It's so hot.
Yeah, baby. I mean, how can I dance with these groups?
Yeah, come on, girls.
I mean,
That's-
oh, there's more.
Oh, they multiply.
Now burn, baby, burn. My love is on fire, so don't play with me, boy.
I've never heard this like low tone from them. Not that I remember.
God, so good.
It's so good.
It makes me jealous.
Right?
Ugh,
Like,
yes.
let me tell you what I would do on a stage like that with that lighting and those dress.
You right?
Like, I would go crazy.
You would. Wow.
So
Fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, got to start over.
You started over. So fun.
So fun. Yeah, I mean, as we just said, to be able to do that is.
I mean, it's hard. It's hard.
It takes
like we've
so
said
much
in all
time
of our
and work.
videos, so much time and work, especially with like, you know, in a show like this too, like lighting's going crazy, right? So sometimes you don't see the floor.
No, that's
Like,
very true.
Like you don't know the footing. Obviously, there's tons of like rehearsals and
yeah,
everything
but
like that.
you step into the unknown.
Yeah, totally.
Hearing can mess you up. A flash in the crowd can mess you up. You could have a wardrobe malfunction that can mess you up.
1,000%.
There are so many things that can go wrong that you practice for, so that you can adapt and adjust.
Totally.
I've been in the studio all this week working with an artist who's been working for 2-3 months on her first big show.
Mm-hmm.
Her name's Shadden, a Middle Eastern artist. A mutual friend of ours who's toured with Taylor Swift and down the
Justin
list.
Bieber.
Yeah, amazing
Selena
dancer,
Gomez.
choreographer, Charity Baroni. It's been really fun to be part of that process, but it's also been really fun for me because it's the first time one of my clients has pulled me into the dance studio with them.
Totally, yeah.
And it's a whole different realm.
Oh, and Charity's one of the most inspiring dancers ever.
Yes.
Like insane.
It's really been a fun process. But you really understand the work ethic of groups that dance and artists that dance, as opposed to those who stand and sing and play. Not to take away from one or the other.
Right.
There is just a different level of athleticism and work ethic that has to be there to do that.
Yeah, 1,000%.
And then sing on top of it. It's just amazing.
It's so fantastic.
Yeah, this was great. Fantastic. This was great.
I love my BlackPink girls.
Blackpink.
I mean, I'm still waiting for the invite. I will make y'all look so good dancing behind you.
One day, Katie.
What was
One
that
day.
laugh?
I don't know. Until then, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.